Hi students, good morning. Today we discuss the topic compound angles. Compound angles. The algebraic sum of two or more angles is called a compound angle. That means a plus b or a minus b, a plus b minus c, a minus b plus c. These are called compound angles. Sum of two or more angles. A plus b. A minus b means what? A plus minus b. So this is called compound angles. Now we know all the formulas in sine of a plus b. You know all these formulas. What is sine of a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. And the sine of a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a into sin b. Sin b. So, and one formula so here third one, cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a into sin b. So, sin of a plus b, sin of a minus b, cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b. These are all formulas. I think all of you know very well. So, and also we have, you know, all the values, that is sin 30 degrees, sin 45 degrees, sin 60. So, sin 15 degrees, first one, this you write sin of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Sin of, this is equal to sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B 30 degrees. Sin 15, that is equal to sin 45 is 1 by root 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2, that is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is sin 15 degrees is equal to sin 15 degrees, sin of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. So this is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So this is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Like we have cos 15 degrees is equal to cos 15. Cos 15 is what? This is cos of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Minus 30. So this is equal to, this is cos A cos 45 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 45 degrees into sin 30 degrees. Cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. So this is 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. That is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 15 degrees and cos 15 degrees. Okay. From this we are getting automatically tan 15 degrees. How to find tan 15? Tan 15 degrees is equal to sin 15 degrees by cos 15 degrees. That is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. If I rationalizing denominator, multiplying and dividing by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1. So the numerator is numerator. So root 3 minus 1 whole square by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Numerator is a minus b whole square formula, a square 3 plus b square minus 2 into root 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1. That is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. If take 2 is taken common, root 3, 2 common, that is 2 minus root 3 by 2. So these two gets cancelled. Therefore tan 15 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. From this we have to find cot 15 degrees. Cot 15 is 1 by tan 15 degrees. That is 1 by 2 minus root 3. And this also by rationalizing 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by rationalizing. So this is 2 plus root 3 by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. That is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 4 minus 3. That is 2 plus root 3. So this I can write here. So what about this one? Here you can take 2 common, 2 minus root 3 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. Here it is. This is 2 plus root 3 by 4 minus 3. That is 2 plus root 3. So sin 15, cos 15, tan 45, cot 45. These are the values. So we have sin 15. This is degrees. Next one, cos 15. Cos 15 degrees equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. And tan 15 degrees. Tan 15 value is what? 2 minus root 3, and cot 15 degrees is equal to 2 plus root 3. So using these four results, sin 75 degrees is equal to, you write to sin of 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cos theta, because it is in first quadrant, all are positive. Cos 15 degrees, that is equal to cos 15 value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So if it is, suppose you forget this formula, or then you go for, or you write sin 75 degrees, you write this is sin of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees, and using sin of a plus b form, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. If you are easy to possible to remember this formula, simply you can write the value, or not, sin 75 can be written as sin of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. I think you know very well the values of sin 15, sin 30, cos 15, cos 30, 45 degrees, 30 values. So these are new for you. You know sin 45 degrees, sin 30 degrees, cos 45 degrees, cos 30 degrees, and sin 60, 30, 60, 45, 90, you know very well. Second one, cos of 75 degrees equal to, you write cos of 90 degrees minus 15 degrees, which is sin 15 degrees, cos of 90 minus theta, that is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 is the value. Or, so you forget about this formula. So if this, you write cos 75 is equal to cos of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees and expansion, and you get the same result. Next one, tan of 75 degrees is equal to, this you write tan of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. I think you know. So this is, you don't have formula tan of a plus b, so we derive later. So this you write first of all. So this is 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. Tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 15 degrees, that equal to 2 plus root 3. And the cot of 75 degrees equal to, this is cot of 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. So cot of 90 minus theta, that is tan 15 degrees, that equal to 2 minus root 3. Next one. So if you remember these, so we can have more formulas. Next to sin of 105 degrees is equal to, this rate sin of 90 degrees plus 15 degrees. 90 plus 15, that is 105. Sin of 90 plus theta, second quadrant, sin is positive. So this is cos 15 degrees, which is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Next, this is cos of 105 degrees. This also right, cos of 90 degrees plus 15 degrees. 90 plus theta, second quadrant, cos is negative. So this is minus sine 15 degrees, minus of sine 15. So this is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Like tan of 105 degrees. This is equal to tan of 90 degrees plus 15 degrees. Tan of 90 plus theta, second quadrant, tan is negative. So minus cot theta, minus cot 15 degrees, minus of cot 15. So this is 2 plus root 3. And similarly, you have to find cot of 105 degrees. This is equal to, so this is cot of 90 degrees plus 15 degrees. Second quadrant, cot negative, minus tan 15 degrees. So minus of 2 minus root 3. So similarly, we have to find more. Similarly, we have to find sine of 165 degrees, cos of 165 degrees. Okay, and this is the tan of 165 degrees and majority. This also can be written as sine of 180 minus 15. This is cos of 180 minus 15. So if for these, if you remember these four formulas, so we can, that means what, learn more by using based on these four. Next one, tan of a plus b is equal to, this right, sine of a plus b by cos of a plus b. So this is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b by cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Sin a sin b. Now, dividing numerator and denominator by cos A cos B. Cos A cos B. So this is equal to sin A cos B by cos A cos B plus cos A sin B by cos A cos B. by this is cos A cos B by cos A cos B minus sin A into sin B by cos A cos B. So dividing, so I can write separately. X plus y by 2 is x by 2 plus y by 2. Like this I can separate. So here cos B cancel, cos A cancel. These gets cancelled. Therefore this is equal to sin A by cos A, which is tan A, plus sin B by cos B, which is tan B, by, so this is 1 minus sin A by cos A, tan A, sin B by cos B, tan B, 1 minus tan A, tan B. So tan of A plus B is equal to, the formula is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Similarly, tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. So write down. Next one, cot of A plus B equal to cot of A plus B equal to cot A into cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Cot of A plus B. This, how to prove this one? Cot of A plus B is equal to cos of A plus B by sin of A plus B. This you write, cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B by, this is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So for this, dividing numerator and denominator by sin A sin B. So this is equal to, I can divide separately. So So this is cos A cos B by sin A sin B minus sin A sin B by, for this, sin A sin B by denominator sin A cos B by sin A sin B plus cos A sin B by, so this is sin A sin B. Okay, observe that sin A sin B cancel. So this is equal to, that is equal to cos A by sin A, cot A, into cos B by sin B, that is cot B, minus this is both gets cancelled, that is 1, by sin A cancel, cos B by sin B, so this is cot B, and here sin B cancel, cos A by sin A, that equal to plus cot A. So tan of A plus B is equal to, the whole thing is what? So this is, sorry, this is cot of A plus B is equal to. Similarly, cot of A minus B is equal to, so this is cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. So this is formulas. Just note down this point. Next one, sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus cos square A. So this is R. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B equal to so see here, we know the formula of sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B is equal to So what is the sine of a plus b formula? Sine a, you can write here, sine a cos b plus cos a into sine b. And the sine of a minus b is sine a cos b minus cos a into sine b. So this is just like a plus b into a minus b form. These are of the form a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. What is a? This is a and this is b. A plus b into a minus b, a square. What is a square? So this is sine a cos b whole square minus b square. B square is cos a into sine b whole square. That is equal to what? So this is equal to sine square a into cos square b minus cos square a into sine square b. Now this completely convert in terms of cos or sine. I can convert cos in terms of sine. There also cos, I convert in terms of sine. So this is sine square a into 1 minus sine square b minus of, this is 1 minus sine square a into sine square b, sine square b. This is equal to sine square a multiplying minus sine square a into sine square b minus 1 into this sine square b minus into minus plus into this plus sine square a into sine square b. So here these two gets cancelled. That is equal to sine square a minus sine square b. So this is one result. Okay, this is sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. So that also can be written as, that is equal to sine square a, you write 1 minus cos square a, 1 minus cos square a minus of sine square b, right, 1 minus cos square b. So this is equal to 1 minus cos square a minus 1 plus cos square b. 1 cancel, that is cos square b minus of cos square a. So this is another formula. So write down. Similarly, So for the next part you have to derive similarly cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sin square b, or cos square b minus sin square a. Similarly, so doing the same process, you have to take cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b form. Again, that you have a plus b into a minus b form, that is a square minus b square. So, okay, so we get these two results, either this or this, both are correct. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Now we have to do some, based on these problems, examples. So what are the formulas you have? And also this is one, and the sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b, or cos square b minus cos square a. So these are the formulas. Now, first problem, sin square 45 degrees minus sin square 15 degrees is equal to, prove that, root 3 by 4. And the second one, sin square 82.5 degrees minus a sin square 22.5 degrees is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 4 root 2. Prove that. Next one, cos square 45 degrees minus sin square 15 degrees is equal to root 3 by 4. And next one, prove that cos square 112 degrees minus sin square 52.5 degrees is equal to minus of root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. Okay, these are the problems which are related to the two formulas. Now I will explain the second one. You have to try this sum. Okay, what about second one? Sin square a minus sin square b form. Second problem, see here. So this is a sin square a minus sin square b. Sin square a minus sin, that is a sin square 82.5 degrees minus a sin square 22.5 degrees. So this is just like sin square a minus sin square b, that is sin of a plus b. Sin of 82.5 plus 22.5 degrees into sin of 82.5 degrees minus 22.5 degrees. So this is what sin of 82 and 22. That means what? What about this one? So 80 plus 20, 100. 100 plus 2.5 and 2.5. So the total is about 105 degrees. So this is 105 degrees into sin of, this is 62.5 minus 22.5, that is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Okay, that is equal to, you know the value of this, or you write sin of 90 degrees plus 15 degrees into sin 60. What is sin 60 value? Root 3 by 2. So this is cos 15 degrees. Cos 15 into root 3 by 2. Cos 15, you know the value of cos 15. What is cos 15? So this is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into root 3 by 2. That is equal to, if you are multiplying root 3 into root 3, that is 3, plus 1 into root 3 is root 3 by 2 to 0 4 root 3, sorry 4 root 2. Okay, sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, sin square a minus sin square b. And see the fourth question, fourth one, cos square a minus sin square b. Cos square a minus sin square b is equal to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. This problem. Sorry, this is cos, not sin, cos. Cos of a plus b, 112 degrees. So this is 112 and half degrees. Not, this is half degrees are there. So 112 and half degrees plus this is sin of a plus b plus 52 and half degrees into, so this is cos of 112 and half degrees minus 52 and half degrees. So this is cos of, so 110 plus 50, 160, 2 and half, total 165 degrees into, this is cos of 112 and half degrees minus this, that equal to 60 degrees. So what about this one? This side, cos of 180 degrees minus 15 degrees into cos 60 degrees. Cos of 60 degrees. So this is equal to cos of 180 minus theta is what? Minus cos 15 degrees into cos 60 is 1 by 2. And what about cos 15 degrees? There it is there, cos 15 degrees. So cos 15 is, that is minus of root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into 1 by 2. So that is equal to minus of root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. So this is the result. So in trigonometry, the formulas plays a vital role. So these are most important. So you try these two remaining sums. Okay, thank you.